Look what arrived. Wow. Look at all these incredible colors and yarn.
So on this snowy day, we got a new box from Mother Knitter. Look at her cute little logo. So she's one of the 2 stores that is not only participating, but is donating for, she's a distributor of, you can see, Sandnes Garn, which is out of Norway. It's a big Scandinavian yarn company. Oh, look. Knit your style. Every store is going to get this from Sandnes Garn. Oh, so pretty. We have skeins of their alpaca fluffy, Borsted alpaca, and a little door tag and information on Mother Knitter. Oh, that's so nice. We have skeins of yarn and a cute little bag. That was so nice. Thank you, Lori. She's in Red Bank. She's one of our favorite new stores. Thank you.
Who could this be from? These are beautiful colors hiding in here. Wow. I might need help getting this one open. I think they have bags that need to be ripped open. $20 kits for 20 stores. What color will your store get? Ooh, from Blue Sky Fibers.